In this video, I'm going to go over my EnviFX and Automated Capital account, their dismal finish to the week, and read you from Telegram what they have announced in moving forward. But before I do that, I would just want to say that I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I am not licensed professional. I suggest that before you dive into anything, any type of investment, that you consult with a professional. Forex trading and cryptocurrencies are extremely risky. So please, this is not financial advice. As you can see from my account over here on the right, I had a horrible week with Automated Capital, as did everyone who's involved in that PAM account or that money managed account through EnviFX. It has nothing to do with EnviFX. They just happen to be the broker that is holding this account for Automated Capital. Now, I've been in Automated Capital for probably 5 or 6 weeks now. Started with a $984. Ironically, just put an additional $1,000 in last week, and of course, that wasn't very wise. But what are you going to do? So, I remember back in the day when I would try to trade Forex, back in the mid 2005 to 7 time frame. I remember there were times I would lose my entire account. I would trade $800, $900, and then $1,200, and I'd have to go back to my wife multiple times and say, "Hey, honey, hey, remember that account we had?" Well, she'd give me a few more $100, and we'd go play with that for a little bit, and I'd end up losing that. So the gains that I've experienced with Automated Capital have been extremely positive up until this past week. So you can see that there was some things that they didn't do. There's some protections that they didn't have in place. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to read you the response from the Telegram group and see what their plan is moving forward. And I will say this, kudos to them. I don't know if any of you were involved in the COTPS nightmare a few months ago when they basically just ran off with everybody's cryptocurrency. But there was very little communication from those folks. They were just gone. They said, sorry, the system doesn't work. We'll be back in a few months when we figure it out, when we get your text messages working. And they were just gone. So this is completely different. Again, these funds are not in Automated Capital's account. They are in my account or your account through EnviFX. And so they just have the permission to trade on our behalf. So after the dismal trading day, the news that came out with the Fed rate hike, here is the response that the Automated Capital group put out. And they said, first things first, and this is just full transparency. You can go to the Automated Capital group, join the Telegram group, and I'll put that link down below, and you can see these for yourself. But it says, first things first, we would like to apologize for all investors within Automated Capital because what happened today is unacceptable. I'll take time, but for those who still believe in our system, for us to recover from the hit today. Equity Protector is set at 30%. Once hit, it'll take out the worst trades to lower the drawdown. Unfortunately, our Equity Protector got hit multiple times this morning, so it kept closing out more and more trades while drawdown was getting hit at 30% and was hit multiple times. Following below is our plan of action moving forward. Talk to our programmer and the following changes will be applied. And here they just list out some changes that they're going to change to their algorithm, which, hey, that's, admirable that they're telling us that. I wouldn't expect that they do. But then they're also telling in here that they're not charging fees for a while. The no program fee or the admin fee. So I think this is very positive. It's transparent of them to come out and to let everyone know what happened firsthand, take ownership of it. And to be honest with you, I'm pleased that after the horrible trading week that it was, if you were in any type of account like this, to have $800 or almost $800 left and remaining, I'm extremely pleased. As I said, there's many times where I have lost my entire account in the Forex markets trying to trade on my own. And I had many weeks here or I say many, I wasn't in it that long, but there were weeks where, a couple of weeks where I was having, 10+% gains. So if they come back and they are as strong as they have been on their good weeks, and they limit these type of bad negative exposure to the bad weeks or bad days, then you know what? This account will be back to where it was within, my estimate is that by the end of the year, I'll have all the money back that they lost. I'll be back to even what I invested and the gains. And so I'm in for the long haul. And I hope that if this has been helpful to you, that you'll give this a like, maybe subscribe to the channel, and I'll keep you up to date with some more passive income opportunities that I'm involved in. So take care. Bye-bye.